Introducing AdvanTech Subfloor Adhesive from the Subfloor Builders Trust for the flat-out best quiet, stiff floors. AdvanTech Subfloor Adhesive is an integral part of the new AdvanTech Subfloor Assembly with a Squeak-Free Guarantee, which combines the powerful polyurethane bond of AdvanTech Subfloor Adhesive with the strength and moisture resistance of AdvanTech Subfloors. Help reduce callbacks with an AdvanTech Subfloor Assembly that's better than ever before. If you're ready to put the powerful polyurethane bond of new AdvanTech Subfloor Adhesive to the test and get up to 8 times more coverage than traditional caulk adhesive to your subfloors, follow these easy application instructions. The key to working fast and safe is taking the right precautions. So remember, AdvanTech Subfloor Foam Adhesive bonds quickly to most surfaces. Always wear gloves, always wear eye protection, and never point the applicator gun at yourself or others. Always assume the adhesive is pressurized and ready to dispense. Next, follow a few very basic rules for surface preparation for optimal bond. Both surfaces should be free of grease or oil. Also, there should be no standing water. Take a quick temperature check. You can use AdvanTech Subfloor Adhesive from 20 degrees Fahrenheit to 105 degrees Fahrenheit. It bonds whether wood is dry, damp, or frozen. With the site prepared, you're ready to start installing subfloor. So let's prep the gun. Make sure the control knob is in the closed position, which is all the way to the right or clockwise position. Push the threaded end of the can into the applicator gun basket. Rotate the can clockwise until it's tight. Do not over-tighten. To prep the adhesive, shake the can on the gun for 30 seconds. Open the control knob by giving it almost a full turn counterclockwise. Now, try a test bead. You can adjust your bead width by opening or closing the control knob in small increments until you achieve your desired bead size. You can also adjust your trigger pullback. Whether using the knob or the trigger, you want a 1/2 inch bead of foam adhesive. Now you're ready to roll. First, check the tip of your applicator gun. Before you apply adhesive, make sure the tip is clear. If it isn't, or if there's dried adhesive, you want to remove it using AdvanTech Polyurethane Foam Cleaner. If needed, safely scrape away the dried adhesive with your utility knife. Wipe the gun tip with a rag at the end of each use to avoid adhesive drying on the gun tip. With the can in an upside down position, apply a continuous 1/2 inch foam bead to the floor joists. Your 1/2 inch foam bead will collapse down to a 3/8 inch wide gel. Don't press the tip of the gun directly onto the floor joists. Keep it just slightly above the surface to avoid adhesive splatter and to keep adhesive from building up on the tip of the gun. Once you've applied AdvanTech Subfloor Foam Adhesive to the joists, install subfloor panels within 20 minutes, including all subfloor fasteners, to ensure a solid permanent bond between panel and floor joist. When it's time to replace a finished can, close the control knob, remove the empty can, and spray AdvanTech Polyurethane Foam Cleaner in the basket as needed. Immediately install a new can of adhesive. Shake and continue working. When you're done for the day, if there's still adhesive left in the can, simply shut off the applicator by turning the knob clockwise until it stops. You're done. It's that easy. And you can store the applicator gun with a can of adhesive attached for up to 30 days. What if you already have a can attached to your gun and simply need to restart it? Same rules apply. Just shake the gun with the can attached for 30 seconds. Open the valve by rotating the control knob counterclockwise. You're ready to start installing your subfloors again. When you're ready to clean up and will not be attaching a new can of adhesive to the gun immediately, use AdvanTech Polyurethane Foam Cleaner. It's specially formulated for cleaning uncured adhesive from your tools and applicator gun. Make sure the control knob is turned clockwise until it stops before removing the adhesive can. Remove the empty adhesive can by twisting counterclockwise. After removing the adhesive can, spray the gun basket first with AdvanTech polyurethane foam cleaner. Attach the cleaner can directly to the applicator gun in the same way as the adhesive can. Push the threaded end into the basket and rotate clockwise until tight. Point the gun in a safe direction and depress the trigger until only cleaner is spraying from the applicator tip. Close the control valve by turning it clockwise and remove the cleaner can. Remove any excess adhesive from the tip or basket of the gun by spraying it with the cleaner nozzle. You're done. AdvanTech Subfloor Adhesive provides a powerful polyurethane bond, speed and ease of application on the job, and up to 8 times more coverage than traditional caulk adhesives. Choose AdvanTech Subfloor panels and new AdvanTech Subfloor Adhesive backed by our Squeak-Free Guarantee, so you don't need to worry about squeaks or callbacks. Visit AdvantechSFA.com to learn more.